Hello all, welcome to Be Positive channel. In this video we will have overview of all Hindustan motor cars. Hindustan Motors Limited, called as HM, is a public limited company that was established in 1942 by B.M. Birla in partnership with Morris Motors, a British automotive firm. The company is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. HM is considered one of the most iconic Indian car manufacturers and played a pivotal role in pioneering the Indian automotive industry. The first car manufacturer of India, manufacturing facilities later moved to Uttarpara, West Bengal in 1948, where it began the production of the Morris-designed HM's Ambassador, the HM Mitsubishi Motors plant near Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Main reasons for HM downfall was due to its failure to keep pace with technological advancements and the evolving tastes of consumers. Rather than adapting to changing market dynamics, HM continued to roll out iterations of the Ambassador with only minor updates, lack of new technology and design. Today the company has abandoned automobile production, although Hindustan Motors remain a symbol of the early start of the automobile industry in India. Thank you for watching until end. Please like, share and subscribe.